Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I've got new hair. I just did my box braids, which I'm really excited about because this time around when I did it, I actually put a bit of color in it. I generally don't wear like too much color in my hair. I literally just do black or brown. Like that's all I ever do on my hair, but this time around I really wanted to try something different. So I got two different colors in here. It's still, you can see one of it is still black and then another one is like blonde, I don't know what you would call, like gold I guess, or brown, I don't know. So I decided to add that in there. I generally braid my own hair because I just find, first of all, I can just braid a little bit and leave it, but not only that, I can control how much tighter I'm going to make it, because the last time I got my hair done, oh my gosh, I took it out like the next day. It was so painful. I could not sleep, guys. I could not sleep, and I think after that I was like, nope, I'm learning how to do my own hair, and then I just focused on braiding my hair. And so this time around I did about like medium sizes on here. Obviously I couldn't braid my edges, sorry about that. But yeah, I just mixed the two colors up together. So I really like these. The only thing for me is I don't do long hair, just annoys me. I don't know why, but it's just, I'm trying to be patient with these and leave it long, but I'm already so tempted to cut it like really short. Like I went from having a pixie cut for years, and now whenever I have like hair that's this long, this is just too long for me. So I think after a bit I'm going to cut it and turn it into a bob, because yeah, I just feel better. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what you need to do to braid your hair. And yeah, the color, like I said, the color itself is really good. Like as you can see, it looks really good. So first thing that you obviously need is you're gonna need obviously the hair. So first thing you need is the hair. Like I said, I've got two different colors. So this is the hair that I got. So you can see there's like completely two different colors. Like this one is this color here. I would say like brown, like goldish brown, and then I've got the black one. So what I did is I mixed the two together, and then just created like, you know, did this, like mixed it in together like this, and then that's what I pretty much did. And I used 2 packets, which is 2 packets of each. So 1 packet of this one and then 1 packet of the black one, and that's how I got to do this. And I think I only use actually half, like 1.5 packets, because I've got this little bit left and then I still have another one in there. But yeah, so that's the hair you would need. And then obviously then you need some sort of like lotion for your hair, like cream or something for your hair. So what I do is I use some rosemary oil that I had finished, and then like that's just to prepare my hair. And then obviously I went ahead and then I also used some leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner has like so many different things in there. It's got custard oil, it's got rosemary oil in there, it's got avocado, and it's got some coconut, and it's honestly so good. It leaves your scalp so moisturized. So I have this on like all the time pretty much. Like I put it on my scalp so that way my scalp is nice and moisturized, but not only that, also so my hair is also growing with all this stuff I put in there. And then obviously you need a brush, you know, you have to need some sort of like stuff like this to obviously make sure you have prepared to do your hair. And when I braid my hair, guys, I always start off by dividing my hair. So I'll divide it into like 6 into 6, like 2 at the front, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the back. And I always start at the back, and then sometimes I do the front one, so that way if I don't finish it up, then it's easy for me to go ahead and like put it in a bun and go wherever I need to go, because yeah, sometimes you just don't have time to finish your whole head. So that's what I do. I tend to do that. But yeah, I'll go into how I do it, show you guys a little clip of how I pretty much do it. I hope you guys enjoy this video and give like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Bye.